It is helpful to use a longer time frame like a weekly chart to easily identify a major trend that has reversed. In this case, a long-term uptrend is sharply reversed down. 3 methods following price action is in progress too. Go to a shorter time frame and mark the reversal of the major trend, along with the start and end of the retracement. Just like other fib methods, use the absolute lows and highs of these swing points. Here it makes little difference, point 3 is marked at a slightly lower swing point, but the mistake can be more significant if, for example, the retracement ended at a higher price, like 68. The highest point of the retracement is preferred even when 2 or more downswings approximate the same level to end the retracement of the new developing trend. As the larger downtrend resumes, even fib levels less than 1, such as the 0.382 and 0.618 levels, can have potential to oppose the drop. This is because the base trend covered a greater distance due to the continued drop after the gap down. In this case, the 1.618 level identifies the most significant opposition to the downtrend. It is an approximation and not exact, since upswings form around 2308 and not exactly on it. This is realistic because the exact lows won't always be pinpointed. Levels from fib extensions can also identify retracements and opposition to a new uptrend. However, this is more suitable for a fib retracement using swing points from the old downtrend. The primary purpose of a fib extension in this example was to identify opposition to the progress of the old large-scale downtrend. Alternatively, a base trend for a new fib extension could be drawn from points in the new uptrend. It is common for extra emphasis to be placed on certain levels, such as 0.618, 1, and 1.618, as being more significant. While major reversals often take place at those levels, it is not uncommon for them to miss major reversals. All fib levels can be the site of major or minor reversals. It is more beneficial to examine the shorter-term price action at a fib level and reference the longer-term context in order to place more emphasis on certain fib levels. It is also important to remember fib levels of retracements can still be breached and passed. No matter which fib technique or level is used, the levels are simply approximations of greater reversal potential, and not complete guarantees of revealing the exact lows and highs of a chart. Just like fib retracements, fib extension levels gain further validity when they run through past resistance and support areas. However, this may not always be possible, especially when new record highs or lows are reached. It is preferable to use the first retracement of a base trend to draw a fib extension before trying later retracements to the base trend. If the chart begins to flatten into more range-bound movement after point 3, followed by a major break of the flatter range, it is possible the extension levels can be less useful.